Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're thinking about buying an older home, you've come to the right place. I've helped over 1,000 people in my career since 1994 buy older homes with renovation loans. They can be tricky, so that's why it's important for you to work with an expert and get guidance. And that's what I'm here for. I'm here to be your coach, to help you get comfortable with buying a fixer-upper, competing against the investors, and creating a home that you love with renovation financing. A renovation loan is one loan that includes money to buy the house and all the money that you want to modernize it and fix it up the way you want. Before we go any further, please subscribe to the channel. We've got hundreds of videos of success stories, coaching, walking through uh, properties that need to be fixed up, and educating you and getting you comfortable with buying an older home and financing it with a renovation loan. If you missed out of buying back before COVID, before rates went up and values went up, now's the time. There's more inventory on the market currently. Rates are starting to come down, and I want to help you achieve the dream of home ownership and doing it in a way that's beneficial to you and your family. You can go and buy a brand new house, pay top dollar for it, and reach out and touch your neighbor's house. Probably. These new home communities, those houses are built on top of each other. Or you can buy an older home on a bigger lot that has good bones and finance the costs to remodel it and design it the way you want. You have come to the right place. Please like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And also check out right here. This is one of our popular videos that where we teach you about a property, a mixed use multifamily property, where you'll learn how to buy a multi-unit property, have your tenants pay all your principal and interest, taxes, and insurance, and it's going to give you extra money every month on top of your mortgage to live, and you can live basically rent free and build wealth. Check that out. Thanks again for subscribing, and I look forward to being your coach on your home buying journey.